Hi guys, in today's lesson we will be making a chicken fajita wrap. You will need 1 chicken breast, 1 sliced pepper, 1 onion, half a tin tomato, or you can use tomato puree paste, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a red chilli, or you can use chili powder, fresh coriander, 2 tortilla wraps, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 small pot of sour cream or mayonnaise. Step 1. Use a red chopping board to slice the chicken into thin strips and place onto a plate. Step 2. Finely slice onion using the claw and the bridge method, red chilli and peppers. Step 3. Add 1 tablespoon of oil into a pan and gently fry onions until softened. Step 4. Turn up the heat and add peppers and chicken. Fry chicken until it's golden brown. As you can see, the chicken is slowly turning white, so visually you can check if the chicken has been cooked. Step 5 is to add a teaspoon of chili, or you can use chili flakes. Add the paprika and fry for 1 minute. Step 6 is add tomatoes and simmer until chicken is cooked through and the sauce is reduced. To check the chicken, find the biggest piece you can and cut this in half and see if it's cooked from the inside. To visually check if it's cooked, the chicken should be white. As you can see, the chicken is white, so therefore it's cooked. You can use another piece of chicken and double check to make sure that it is cooked from the inside. Step 7, you can remove this from the heat and add fresh coriander for decoration and for flavour. Step 8 is to heat up the wrap. Place it onto a plate. Spread some sauce on the base of the wrap with a spoon and then add your toppings. You can use sour cream or any sauce that you desire. Add some lettuce and then the fillings on top. Roll up the wrap and serve. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.